3. Subtract whole numbers. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations. Addition undoes subtraction, and subtraction undoes addition. We know 7 minus 3 equals 4 because 4 plus 3 equals 7. Knowing all the addition number facts will help with subtraction. Then we can check subtraction by adding. In the examples above, our subtractions can be checked by addition. 7 minus 3 equals 4 because 4 plus 3 equals 7. 13 minus 8 equals 5 because 5 plus 8 equals 13. 43 minus 26 equals 17 because 17 plus 26 equals 43. Example 1.30. Subtract and then check by adding. A. 9 minus 7. B. 8 minus 3. Solution. A. 9 minus 7. Subtract 7 from 9. 2. Check with addition. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Check mark. B. 8 minus 3. Subtract 3 from 8. 5. Check with addition. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Check mark. Try at 1.59. Subtract and then check by adding. 7 minus 0. Try at 1.60. Subtract and then check by adding. 6 minus 2. To subtract numbers with more than one digit, it is usually easier to write the numbers vertically in columns just as we did for addition. Align the digits by place value, and then subtract each column starting with the ones and then working to the left. Example 1.31. Subtract and then check by adding. 89 minus 61. Solution. 1. Write the numbers so the ones and tens digits line up vertically. 89 minus 61. 2. Subtract the digits in each place value. Subtract the ones. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Subtract the tens. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 3. Check using addition. 28 plus 61 equals 89. Check mark. Our answer is correct. Try at 1.61. Subtract and then check by adding. 86 minus 54. Try at 1.62. Subtract and then check by adding. 99 minus 74. When we modeled subtracting 26 from 43, we exchanged one 10 for 10 ones. When we do this without the model, we say we borrow 1 from the tens place and add 10 to the ones place. How to find the difference of whole numbers. Step 1. Write the numbers so each place value lines up vertically. Step 2. Subtract the digits in each place value. Work from right to left starting with the ones place. If the digit on top is less than the digit below, borrow is needed. Step 3. Continue subtracting each place value from right to left, borrowing if needed. Step 4. Check by adding. Example 1.32. Subtract 43 minus 26. Solution. 1. Write the numbers so each place value lines up vertically. 43 minus 26. 2. 2.1. Subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 6 from 3, so we borrow one 10. This makes 3 tens and 13 ones. We write these numbers above each place and cross out the original digits. Now we can subtract the ones. 13 minus 6 equals 7. We write the 7 in the ones place in the difference. 2.2. Now we subtract the tens. 3 minus 2 equals 1. We write the 1 in the tens place in the difference. The result is 17. 3. Check by adding. 17 plus 26 equals 43. Checkmark. Our answer is correct. Try at 1.63. Subtract and then check by adding 93 minus 58. Try at 1.64. Subtract and then check by adding 81 minus 39. Example 1.33. Subtract and then check by adding 207 minus 64. Solution. 1. Write the numbers so each place value lines up vertically. 207 minus 64. 2. 2.1. Subtract the ones. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Write the 3 in the ones place in the difference. 2.2. Subtract the tens. We cannot subtract 6 from 0, so we borrow 100 and add 10 tens to the 0 tens we had. This makes a total of 10 tens. We write 10 above the tens place and cross out the 0. Then we cross out the 2 in the hundreds place and write 1 above it. Now we subtract the tens. 10 minus 6 equals 4. We write the 4 in the tens place in the difference. 2.3. Finally, subtract the hundreds. There is no digit in the hundreds place in the bottom number, so we can imagine a 0 in that place. Since 1 minus 0 equals 1, we write 1 in the hundreds place in the difference. The result is 143. 3. Check by adding 143 plus 64 equals 207. Checkmark. Our answer is correct. Try at 1.65. Subtract and then check by adding 439 minus 52. Try at 1.66. Subtract and then check by adding 318 minus 75. Example 1.34. Subtract and then check by adding 910 minus 586. Solution. 1. Write the numbers so each place value lines up vertically. 910 minus 586. 2. 2.1. Subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 6 from 0, so we borrow 110 and add 10 ones to the 10 ones we had. This makes 10 ones. We write a 0 above the tens place and cross out the 1. We write the 10 above the ones place and cross out the 0. Now we can subtract the ones. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Write the 4 in the ones place of the difference. 2.2. Subtract the tens. We cannot subtract 8 from 0, so we borrow 100 and add 10 tens to the 0 tens we had, which gives us 10 tens. Write 8 above the hundreds place and cross out the 9. Write 10 above the tens place. Now we can subtract the tens. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 2.3. Subtract the hundreds place. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Write the 3 in the hundreds place in the difference. The result is 324. 3. Check by adding 324 plus 586 equals 910. Checkmark. Our answer is correct. Try at 1.67. Subtract and then check by adding 832 minus 376. Try at 1.68. Subtract and then check by adding 847 minus 578. Example 1.35. Subtract and then check by adding 2162 minus 479. Solution. 1. Write the numbers so each place values line up vertically. 2162 minus 479. 2. 2.1. Subtract the ones. Since we cannot subtract 9 from 2, borrow 110 and add 10 ones to the 2 ones to make 12 ones. Write 5 above the tens place and cross out the 6. Write 12 above the ones place and cross out the 2. Now we can subtract the ones. 12 minus 9 equals 3. Write 3 in the ones place in the difference. 2.2. Subtract the tens. Since we cannot subtract 7 from 5, borrow 100 and add 10 tens to the 5 tens to make 15 tens. Write 0 above the hundreds place and cross out the 1. Write 15 above the tens place. Now we can subtract the tens. 15 minus 7 equals 8. Write 8 in the tens place in the difference. 2.3. Now we can subtract the hundreds. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Write 6 in the hundreds place in the difference. 2.4. Subtract the thousands. There is no digit in the thousands place of the bottom number, so we imagine a 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Write 1 in the thousands place of the difference. The result is 1683. 3. Check by adding. 1683 plus 479 equals 2162. Check mark. Our answer is correct. Try it 1.69. Subtract and then check by adding 4585 minus 697. Try it 1.70. Subtract and then check by adding 5637 minus 899.